Let's go ride a bicycle. On a long ride, the seat already hurts my hips and my butt. So tonight, we're going to open this package containing a bicycle oversized seat. Here we go. Our oversized bike seat with ergonomic design. It is waterproof bicycle cover, easy to use tools, a universal bicycle seat adapter, and reflective armband. This is like W-shaped arch saddle, like the palm can be perfectly fit your hips, increasing force area and helping buttocks release pressure evenly. At the bottom, dual shock absorption balls, and in the other side, this side here is sturdy durable hardware. We will remove our seat and put our new oversized seat. It is very easy. Just pull this and we can remove our post. There you go, and I will show you how to put our new oversized seat. I'm going to remove this universal bicycle seat adapter and change my seat post clamp here. Now it's finished. It's tight already. Our seats here. Now it's done. It's that easy. Let's try it out. Wow, it's comfortable like sitting on a cloud. It's filled with premium high-density memory foam, cooling gel, soft and elastic. Now I'm happy and I will enjoy it more when riding my bicycle with Sai.